Hey guys. Cool. It looks like it's working, so we're going to count on the fact that it is. But who knows? This is not sitting flush against the wall. There's a gigantic fan blowing all the way across my apartment, which is why this thing keeps moving. All right, so for those of you that are watching after I did this, thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for being so amazing, guys. I have a lot that I have to get done, and I figured I would keep... I forgot to turn my phone on mute, obviously. Oops. Anyway, I think you guys are going to have some fun with this. What's up, Luffy? Malik. Anyway, so I'm going to be working on this stuff as I answer some of your guys' questions. Now, if you're watching, like I said, if you're watching this afterwards, thank you for watching, but don't feel like you can't submit questions. Still, like, ask me questions. I try and respond to comments often. Once I'm more active on YouTube, then obviously I'll respond more quickly. But with work being quite busy, that will probably be a little bit, but I've been responding almost every day. Luffy, as far as what I'm doing, or what's up, I should say. I'm about to finish this bottle of water by an unsponsored company. And then we're going to jump into... Also, I have another water bottle. It's actually cold. We'll jump into some editing. Wow, this is exciting viewing here, eh? If you guys don't mind, please drop a like on this hangout. If you want to see more of these. So far, nothing super exciting that's happening, but there you go. All right, so we'll jump into this. Hang on, I gotta switch it to screen share. You're gonna see my Spotify. Present to everyone. I think now you are seeing my screen, hopefully. The first thing I need to do is I need to open up my Motion project, which I think it's under Google Drive right now. Where is this at? Under intro. Okay, so basically I need to explain what I'm doing before I continue. Have you ever met Herder of Buffalo? Luffy, he stayed with me. Yes, Luffy, to answer your question, George and I are quite good friends. Anyway, besides George question, any other questions? Oops. So let us move on. I was looking at something in here. Oh, I was going to explain to you guys what I'm doing. So let me pull up a Final Cut project really quick, and I'll kind of explain it. And then I'll explain what app I'm using and then how it kind of works. Basically, so if you couldn't notice already, I'm on a Mac. Apple has this really cool editing software called Final Cut, which is their pro app for doing like video creation and editing and things. And I really enjoy it. And so I use it. 99.99999% of my editing is done in this app. And right now I'm trying to be more organized. This is like a test organization. Basically, for Lima Lake, which is my Minecraft series, here's all of my raw footage. So they come in clips that are in groups of 3. And then this turned out to be the 3 original clips. So I guess yellow means original clip. Original clip and then compound clips. These are episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, this is the one massive. This is the full-blown compound clip, and then the 6 actual episodes here. See? Anyway, and then here are my transitions. So when like it would cut between people, I would Eric's cam, fade out. Then Garrett cam, fade out, and Chuck cam. And then I have this random audio thing that I guess can be deleted. Also, I don't think you can hear my music, which is a good thing. Do I have an Xbox 360? Yes, I do have an Xbox 360. In fact, I have an Xbox 360. I don't have anything else. Make sure you guys are dropping a like on this. Show some love. Anyway, here's my intro, by the way. So here's what I want to do. So I made this in motion. So it kind of jiggles like this. Now the whole thing is full of liquid. Out it comes like a little turd. Fills up the glass, and this comes out and goes ding. Hey, it's Matt. Thank you for liking this. You're gorgeous. And then what I want to do, which it's not right now, is I want to have, right now it just fades to black, which is exciting, but not really. What I want to have happen is when it's here, and I haven't decided where I wanted to play with it, it would actually stop, or it would actually be a transition. And what would happen is the video would load in here, like the white would fade out, and then everything will fly forward. Like boom. But so far, I haven't quite figured out how I want to do it yet. So that's why I'm here with you guys, because I can get your perspective. My gamer tag is my name, heyaapl, spelled this way. I'm enjoying my water. We may have other people joining this. I sent the invite to several people, so we may get to talk to some others, but as of right now, no. Oh, and the other thing I need to work on. See my outro. This whole thing was like super cool, another awesome video, woo! And it looks great, but this 20-second clip adds so much time to my rendering. So much time. It's insane. So anyway, yeah. So now I've got to figure out how I'm going to do this, and I think what I'm going to do, I'm conflicted right now, because basically, by the time it's gone, the shadow hasn't really gone anywhere, but it's not going to add to it, is it? Oh, I guess it will. Okay. If you watch the shadows move. There's a light source that moves throughout this whole thing. Well, that's the other thing. With this, I was going to make it less pure of a white background. I was going to do something. Theo asks, how long have you been on YouTube? I have been on YouTube for a while, but seriously doing YouTube for almost a year. But yeah, I know I've been making videos for like 2 years. Good question, Theo. All right. So anyway, those are my 2 new projects. But I think I need to start with the intro. I actually have to go to my project file. I think this is it. I don't know how I'm going to do this. That way I can have this actually like transition to something without it like overlaying, because that could be really annoying. We got to think about the way I want to do this. I need to do it as a transition is what I actually need to do. Except I can't do a transition. How do I do this? I need to do like a generator, but the generator deletes the audio, so I can't do a generator. Huh. Oh yeah, this is everything, by the way. This is everything in that little intro animation. So it goes toot 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 toot, and this is the audio down below. And then water pouring into glass, 02. And all that's happening right here, by the way, if anyone was curious as to how I did this. Buffy says, how old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Anyway, this turd, by the way, doesn't disappear. This, I think I have it selected here. No. Where is the turd? Flying turd. There we go. Is that it? No. I am determined to select the flying turd. There we go. Flying turd. Here is the flying turd. All it's doing is then it's being masked out and then just disappears. It just sits down there for the rest of the video. And then this stuff doesn't actually go anywhere. It's just a black blob that fades over it. And right at the very last frame is when it's done. That's it. That's the whole intro. Theo, I'm glad that made your day. I'm sad that no other YouTubers have answered your questions, but I'm glad I was able to answer yours. Anyway, so that's that. Basically, I need and this is the outro. Don't save any changes. No, you can go away. Outro. So blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Okay, so this green thing or this blue thing is our light source. And if I think I need to switch to perspective. Here we go. Let's see here. This is where the camera is in respect to the artboard. The camera is level. And the problem is that as this goes through and all of this is moving, so are the shadows. But the downside to this is that it takes fucking forever to render. Because it's basically rendering 510 frames of shadows moving. So it's having to calculate the light movement for every one of these objects. And then this thing that pops in from off screen and lands right there. Then I've got my little arrow, which is above the video by a lot. And I think my second arrow is actually like right on top of it. Yeah, see my second arrow is like right next to the video, so it's not as dramatic of like a thing. Like if I were to move this back in Z space, like closer, let's see, like here. Now everything's all fucked. But it actually does look better like that. Now let's see. We'll zoom in a little more. So if I click this, I import you out a little bit. There you go. What's it? Z is 74. What is this Z? That's 54. So I can push this. I push this back to 54, and then they'll be on the same Z plane. Okay, now they're in the same place. Cool. It's pretty exciting. Also, this random D is there just because this thing needed a name. It's not for any other reason. I'm trying to watch the stream. Is it laggy? Yeah, it's not capturing it a bunch of frames. I think it's because I'm using Google+. Yeah, I bet if I was streaming straight from Wirecast, it'd probably be a little bit better. Less of a laggy stream. But let's see. So far, no one else has joined the stream, which is annoying. I mean, like, joined to talk to me. Let's see. And if I put it sideways, yeah, everything else is on the right Z plane. Everything else is just as high up off the board. I get some cool shadows going on. So basically anyway, sorry, what I was trying to say was that I am going to, first of all, I think I'm going to change this a bit, but I need to switch tools to the anchor point. No. To the, no, transform. No, you. I want to, God fucking damn it. Edit points. Fan-fucking-tastic. Okay. Okay. You are going to be here. Yay! Looks good. And everything else. Basically, what I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to render this as two separate things. So, what's going to happen is, and this is going to be sandwiched in the middle. Okay, so let me explain this, and then we'll see how this works. Oh, Eric's here. Eric is here.
What's up?
Hey, Eric.
Hey, man. How's it going?
Doing well, doing well. Hey, it's Shaded. How you doing, Shaded? Of course I remember you. Luffy says you are a cool YouTuber. Thank you, Luffy. Theo asks, have you ever thought of doing a collab with Herder of Buffalo? I have thought of doing a collab with Herder of Buffalo, and I have done several videos with him. In fact, he's been in several of my vlogs, and hell, he has quite a few of his videos on my channel, or on my computer, I should say. It's funny to watch him edit, because he's kind of a goofball when he edits, and it takes way longer than he actually needs to. But
so you're working on your outro track?
I am, yeah. Are you watching it?
I was. I heard you were annoyed that no one came to talk, so I came on.
Oh. Good. Okay. So I need to figure out where the hell this stuff is at. Okay, so my lines. Okay, these don't need to be here. Also, this doesn't either. Shit. Okay, here's my dilemma, and I just had this thought. Oh, I know how to do it. Okay, never mind. Haha! Crap, this isn't the right size. Also, I don't think this is on the right Z space either. Shit. Okay, sorry. Here's the issue that I was just about to face. If I render this, because basically what I was going to do is I was going to have this sandwiched between. Let me turn this off really quick. So, I know there's a delay between YouTube and this, but bear with me here. Basically, what I was going to do, Eric, is I was going to have the D, so where my drop zone is.
Right.
My drop zone was going to be sandwiched between the background, so that all of this stuff would be in front of it, like it is now. It would be on top of the drop zone. And then this, and then these arrows would be on top of it as well. So actually, I guess I could do all of that at once. But then my problem was, how do I get the light to mimic? Because I want to basically be able to remove this light source, so it's not rendering out the light every time. It is just doing the video. Right. And I think that'll cut down my render time dramatically, but I haven't tested it yet. But I would assume it will. But anyway, so that's where I'm at now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this black rectangle on, and I'm going to get it into the exact same position and size. But I need to scale it down. It's going to piss me off. Okay, how do I want to do this? This is at 34.75. Okay, they're now at the same exact 55.26.
Here's my question, Chuck, and maybe you can answer it since you know the application better than I do. But is there a way to render out the video without the white background, so you can pre-render your shadows like you want, and just stick it on top of a recent video that you want to, and then have the white background there?
Yes. So okay. So here's what I did before. Let me get under here somewhere. No. Video elements. Outro slate. Okay. Here's what I used to do. I basically did that same thing, except it was a still image. And then I would just put, like, this whole thing was one still image, and then I would just put the video behind it. My problem was that each video looked slightly different.
Oh, okay.
But this was definitely a lot easier. But yeah, no, I see what you're saying. But like, I actually really like this. That's what I tried to copy for this. If you couldn't tell.
I'll have to wait
Also
for
nice.
the stream to catch up to what you're talking about.
Sorry, you'll see me spaz back and forth between Finder and or between the preview and everything else. That explains why it was acting so strange. Okay.
Because I know when I worked in Blender, if I were to render out in something in 3D, I could make an object invisible but still affect shadows. So I could make that white plane invisible but still have shadows. So I can have the background completely see-through. That way I can just have a video with shadows, but put whatever I want behind it.
Yeah, and I understand what you're saying. Actually, I need to move this back. I'm going to do 33. Apparently this isn't on the same... What the hell? Where is this at? This is at 0. Oh. I see. Oh my gosh, that could have just really weirded me out. Ah, crap, I think I've changed a whole bunch of shit. I did. Okay, oops. Where is this at? This is already... Oh god, this whole group is 10.66 pixels. So I think I need to put that into account when I'm measuring. So this is supposed to be 34.75. I now need to do 34.75 minus 10.66 is 2409. 2409 is where this rectangle... And now if I do 24.1, it's on top. Okay. But if I do 2409, must be rounding. Okay. Now I can properly adjust its size. And everything else, where is this located at? Okay, these are all located in the same place. So, oh god, no, shrink. Now I need to play with the scale to get it to the right size. I think that's about as perfect as I'm going to get it.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
So now, Eric, what I'm going to do... Oh, shit. Oh, God, this rectangle isn't in this shot for the whole time. In at 1, out at... Out there. It's gone. Okay. Now, Eric, this thought just came to my mind. I think I need to make this rectangle transparent.
You mean invisible?
Invisible, yeah.
Yeah. Can you make that invisible but still affect shadows? Or affect light?
No. Wonder if I give it an outline. Now I'm stuck at the same problem where it does no shadows. If I turn this on, it has shadows again. Turn that off, no shadows. Shadows.
I'm looking it up here to see. There's got to be a way.
I guess if I do it like this. No. I think, Eric, the only way I can do that is if I separate that back rectangle from everything else. So I would still need two. I would need two exports of this, right?
Well, I guess you could do that. Unless you wanted to forego a shadow of the blocks in the center of the video.
No, I really like the shadow.
Yeah.
I mean, because no shadow. I mean, because honestly, this is what I was using a while ago, and I do like this out. I mean, the static outro is kind of decent, but I like it moving a little bit.
Definitely.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do. Everything. Backdrop is gonna stay. Okay. This is gonna
Hold on,
go.
I think I might find a way to do it. I'm searching Apple's documentation. Google found something, I just have to find it.
I'm gonna render this really quick. Export. My old man, he kicked me out. Kicked me out when I told him that I live this way.
Okay, according to Apple support documents, it says you can even have an object cast a shadow when it itself is invisible. Okay, so now I gotta figure out how to do that.
Ooh. Thank you, Apple, for having good documentation.
Okay, so apparently there's something called shadow parameters in the properties tab, and there's a shadows only checkbox that allows the object to block light and cast a shadow, but the object does not appear in the scene.
Let me pause this real quick. Okay, where is it at? It's under properties.
Shadow parameters and properties tab.
Even when it has no opacity?
It doesn't say anything about that.
Okay, so how do I make it invisible? Or
So if you
read it again.
Shadows. So shadow parameters and the properties tab.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh my gosh, shadows
only. Yep. So you probably will still see it in the scene, but when you render it out, it won't be there.
Yeah, look at this. Yeah. Look, it's gone now.
Nice.
But now I still have the problem of I need to get...
We have a big black shadow right there.
Well, that's where the video is going to go, because it's going to go right smack dab in the middle.
Right, but the video is technically behind all this, so it would be behind that shadow.
Not yet. So basically, imagine this as a sandwich or as a cheeseburger.
Okay.
Everything that we see here is going to be the top bun.
Okay.
The meat is going to be the video, and then this shadow by itself is the bottom bun.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. Hey Chuck, getting Kinky, I see. Oh, I see what you're saying. Uh, good lord. Hi, Manembo. Hey, Apple, what is the most embarrassing thing you have ever done? I don't know. Fallen in public, I guess. That's always typically embarrassing. Oh no, I have one. I was Snapchatting, and it was late at night, and I was walking with my cousin and a friend, and we were walking. We were just walking back from the gas station. We had gone and gotten like slush or something. We were walking back to her house, and I was Snapchatting, and I was doing a selfie, and I walked into a pole while doing a selfie. Didn't drop my phone. I was impressed, but selfie was captured. Like right before I hit the pole.
Most
No
importantly.
idea. The selfie and the phone was fine. Although it was
Yeah.
a Samsung phone, so it wasn't going to be the end of the world. But
No.
still. What's up, Raged Kitties? Welcome to the stream. Shaded, you're no lifing Destiny right now. Why? It's a game. Sugar tits.
Excuse me?
What'd you call me? Okay, now I need to render this with no background. No, I'm not gonna have a shit.
How about, okay, there's got to be a way to have the background render only, or... Okay, so there, back in that shadows property, there's a receive shadows checkbox.
Lighting show.
There's got to be a way to make it receive shadows but not be visible.
Receive shadows?
Yes.
I can do shadows only. That doesn't, but it's not casting shadows.
No.
I can make these apples shiny. Or dull. Oh no, that's really shiny. That's really dull. Does that look shiny? No. That's weird. Cast reflection. No. But for shadows, it casts shadows. Let me see. It might be under the whole project. I think Command J. There we go. Background is transparent. It is white. Reflections. I'm gonna look up how to do transparent background shadows. Which,
That's what I'm looking to. The issue is I keep finding answers for other 3D programs. Because motion doesn't seem to filter enough.
well, a lot of things are called motion, which is. Oh.
Yeah.
Motion 4, I don't care about motion 4, I need motion 5.
Oh, okay. So maybe this will help. You can set both receive shadows and shadows only, which makes the object invisible except for the regions where a shadow is cast upon it.
I still need a transparent background, but okay. And I do that for. Is it shadows only?
It says receive shadows and shadows only. Do both, which makes the object invisible except for the regions where a shadow is cast upon it.
Okay.
Hopefully
It's
that's
a good
what we
thing
want.
you know how to use motion and I don't.
Well, I know how to use Google.
It's true. I don't, apparently. Cool, okay, so we've got these shadows. Fantastic. So let's share this. Export movie as an Apple ProRes 44. Which one supports? I think it's Apple ProRes, this one that supports the transparency. Only one of them does. Here comes a really exciting process where I get to render this crap out. What's up, Luxury Clan? Yes, Matt, this is where I am. Exporting outro 2 to outro1.mov. Mov. Let us export the movie. I'll be fielding questions for you guys, so ask me some questions in chat if you would like me to answer them. Nobody has a question for me? Okay, that is fine. You don't need to ask me a question. What else? Oh my god. Also, my microphone keeps falling. I need to tighten it. it's like weighing itself down. Theo asks, "Hey Apple, how do I start a gaming vlogging channel? I'm really stuck." I mean, you can just start by making videos. But the most important thing with YouTube isn't just making videos, it's collaborating. And it's not like you have to make videos with other people, because that's not necessarily always a good thing. But if you do a like for like is hugely helpful, as well as developing like a group of friends to do YouTube videos with. If you look at the really successful YouTubers, you'll notice that they have a group of people that they make videos with. Did I not? No, okay. So now that I have done that, I have to turn everything but this thing on. And these arrows are going to turn off. Okay. Welcome back, Eric.
Thank you, sir. Sorry about that.
Don't apologize, you're fine.
Silly internet.
Oh, weird question, but have you ever lost your virginity? Luxury Clan? I have.
Dun dun dun.
Dun dun. Thank you for liking the video, by the way, Luxury Clan. There's 10 of you guys that liked it. What equipment do I need? Basically of Audacity and a camera. That's kind of all you need, except you need something to edit your video with. I mean, what kind of computer do you have? Is it a Mac? Is it a PC? Alright, time to export this movie. I need to find out if this...
It's hard to tell without putting it on top of something.
Yeah. Sorry, I was trying to figure out if that had audio or not, and it doesn't. So this is going to be the one with the audio.
I liked your remixed outro music, by the way.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I dig it.
Well, thank you. That is all Jack. I love Jack's music. Outro 5? No, outro 2. Exporting outro 6 to outro 2. Okie dokie. Do whatever you want. You have a PC. Well, you can download pirated versions of things like Sony Vegas. Adobe has Premiere Pro. Those are some pretty professional video editing software. You can use more consumer level stuff. Things like Camtasia is a good one. And Camtasia lets you not only record your screen, but also has a built-in editor, which is really cool. The biggest thing is, channels die because they don't grow. People get bored of it. If you look at the YouTubers, if you ever look at their social blade, which is like a way you can look at those stats, big YouTubers don't get big overnight. It's a very slow growth. But think of it as like lighting a fuse, right? No, that's a bad example. Think of it as going to the freeway and getting ready to drive on the freeway. First, you got to leave your house, which is a slow zone, and that usually takes a while. You get stuck in traffic. There's stops and starts. Eventually, you get to like the main road, just a little bit faster, and you're able to drive that for a while, and then you get to the freeway, and then you're flying. But it's a really long drive, and it takes a while. If you're expecting it to happen overnight or to happen within a year or even 2 years, it doesn't. Not in the slightest. Okay, now that I'm done being a philosophizer. Do you know what that's from, Eric?
No. What was that from?
Philosophizer. Shit. It's Ben Stiller.
Oh, nice.
Shit. What movie is that from?
Sound like Night in the Museum or something like that?
That's the first movie that's coming to mind, but I don't think that's right. I'm not a philosophizer.
Meet the Parents?
Might be Meet the Parents or No.
Or Meet the Fuckers, sorry, that's what I meant.
No, I don't think it's I don't know. It'll come to me. But God, that's annoying that I can't remember it. I ask you if you know what it's from, and then I don't even know what it's from.
Well, maybe you're asking me because you didn't know.
You and me. Also, why am I not able to see? Wait, crap. Did this text not export at all? Let me create a new group. Video resources. Finder. Ah, crap. It appears as though it didn't export properly.
Uh-oh. Like no shadows? Or not a background? Proper background.
It doesn't have a nulled out background. Okay. Let me make sure that all this is good. Okay. I need to share export movie. Okay, now I think it has a transparent background because now it's not just black. There we go. We'll redo this. Hopefully, yeah, this will render pretty quick because it's just kind of garbage. Ah, dodgeball. Thank you, Matt. Does he talk? Fuck it, I quit. What? Luxury Clan says I make gaming videos with my friend, but on his channel because my Elgato is so broken I don't know what happened. I don't want to be famous, I just see YouTubers making videos and it looks fun. BRB, gotta go to the toilet. Does I talk? I think I'm talking. Hopefully you can hear me. Alright, so that's down there. So let's open this up. Ah, crap, I totally realized that this is in it. That needed to not be in there. Whoops. Arrows. Where's the text? Cool, so that is disabled. In addition, the arrows will be off as well. Cool. Okay, everything is good. Cool. Let's export this now. God damn. Actually, before I do this, let me make sure that it actually did export properly. Yes, it did. Cool. I can see it there on the thumbnail. Haha! Yay. But that is beside the point because I have to redo it anyway. Not outro 10, outro 2. Replace. Yes, please. It's amazing that it renders so fast here, but it's so slow when I export it. I wonder why. God damn it. I'm trying to throw it in there. For fuck's sake. These 3 random groups need to go away. Okay, the light needs to be on. Arrows need to be on. This. You're going to be off. Everything else. And everything should just magically happen now. Bingo! Howl at the motto, my love. That so cool. Okay. I'm going to export this movie. Beautiful, darling. There you go, darling. This one's take a little bit longer to render. Theo, you missed nothing. Besides the fact that I messed up, but it's being fixed. So you kind of missed a mess up. So the really boring stuff just kind of got skipped. How we have a whopping 3 viewers. That's fantastic.
It is fantastic.
Well, I mean, this is such exciting stuff happening right now. How let them know my love. I wanna know that, babe. How let them know my love. I'm listening to "Don't" by what's his face, Ed Sheeran. 2 posts on Facebook. Oh, look at this badass iPhone 6 Plus. Also, I have 50 seconds remaining on the render time in case anyone is curious. Let's see here. How are the Giants doing?
Which Giants? The Giants and the Cardinals are all knotted up, with 2 each in the top of the 7th inning in Game 2 of the NLCS.
All over my own, I don't want to know that, babe, how I don't know. Who's in Downtown Disney? Carla. Oh, Carla, that looks fun. Hey, Eric.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you had today off, never mind.
Yeah. What were you going to ask if it was busy?
Did you see what posted to Mac Rumors at 4:54 today?
Well, Apple Pay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to ask you if you saw anything at work about it, and then I realized you had today off.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. I figured it was going to happen because of Walgreens. I already kind of spilled the beans.
Right. Good work, Walgreens. Well, once it hits store leader level at Apple, I mean, it hits the fan.
Yeah.
The fact that they thought Walgreens employees could keep a zip on it. I don't think Apple cared at that point. They're like, whatever.
Yeah.
It's not like nobody knows about it. It's just launching.
Yeah.
I'm made up. You say my name like this. I'm made up. I need to turn this on. I do, apparently. No, you. Okay, this should be on top of this, right? Oh, this is in a different Z space. This needs to be moved back.
Oh.
Properties. Shit, where's this at? Because this is already 10 back. That means this needs to move back to 34.75 minus 10 point, what was it, 66? 2409. I guess that is the right spot for it. How does this look, Eric?
I can't. Right now it's your camera.
Oh, that makes sense why you guys don't know what I'm talking about. Okay. Oops. Your face, yay. iPhone 6 Plus do not bend, Theo.
Nope. I've yet to see one bent iPhone 6.
Well, at the same time, like, my phone costs as much as a frickin' Mac. I'm not about to sit on it. I wouldn't sit on my iPhone 5S either.
Yeah.
Like, my behavior with my phone has not changed. Besides the fact that I can't use it one-handed.
I can.
I have
your
little
issues.
baby hands.
What's that?
I said I have little baby hands.
Oh.
Let's see. Do we think this is on the front page of Flipboard? Not that the internal documents are leaked. Let's see. Is this going to be... I'm impressed with the Apple News side. Oh, there we go. So Apple Pay through Passbook through Settings app is up to 8 credit or debit cards can be connected with an iTunes account over scanning one. The iPhone's camera card connection to the service will allow users the ability to turn push notifications. Passbook will also be automatically updated today. Be able to automatically update an expired card with an expiration date. Whoa! Did you hear about that?
Yeah, the auto update.
Auto updating? That's cool. I guess that's because they're partnering with the card companies.
Yep. It's nice. It's very Apple.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's gonna be badass. Okay, let's see this. Oh yeah, there's no audio on this one. I don't know why I kept exporting it with audio. Let's see. Are you playing GTA?
Yes. How'd you know?
Had a sneaking suspicion. Does this look good? Oh, it does look good. Where does this next one come in? Phew. Oh, this is so gonna cut down my render time.
Nice.
Yay. Oh, I see. The light was even... Oh, that's why it took so long. It didn't take that long to render out of here, but what's happening is actually adjusting the lighting on the clip. So it wasn't like it was adjusting just... Oh, God, that was dumb of me. But this will be much faster.
Yep.
Shaded, I've seen your message like 10 times. Yes, I will check you out. I already checked out your channel, dude, like 12 months ago. I don't know, fucking forever ago. Oh, I see. I need to shadow something now. Cool. Now, when I save this, copy. Holy crap, 1.22 gigabytes. Good lord.
That's a big size.
How big are these files? This is a gig. This is a gigabyte. Good frickin' lord. Oh well. Well, while we're waiting for this is the exciting oh wow, it's actually moving quite quickly. This limelight is all night. It's all day. That's right, Shaded. Just be careful to not cross the annoying about your channel line. Also, you don't see this, but I have a second screen. You need to update your About You, dude. You have 216 subscribers. You haven't done your About Me. And 1,000, you're going to do a face cam? Really? It's going to take that long? Don't. I do feel a little bummed out that Inspiration's and All About Great People. I'm not even on your list. Bumtown. Apparently I'm not an inspiration. The Real Ace? How you doing, man? Welcome back. I think I need to quit out of Final Cut.
There's a dude on GTA 5 here, Chuck, that's named Apple Squirts.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not sure what that even means.
Is this real life? Okay. Generators. Conquer came. Also, I have no idea. Okay, I don't think this is mine. Spawn in a place. How do I get this to go to Final Cut now? Share. Not to Apple devices. I don't want to export it. No. Objects, edit, publish template. There we go. Out. Yeah, new category. Hey Apple. Duh. New theme. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna take forever. 0 bytes. Oh no, just kidding. 2 seconds. That's pretty quick. Okay. No, this is the part that takes forever as it transcodes it. Now it's got to render all this. But it should happen much, much faster. Oh my god, it's happening so much faster. Because basically it's just me merging 3 video clips into one with this thing just sitting there. Yay. Okay, if I open up Final Cut, what do we think is going to happen? Also, I'm moving my microphone slightly. Ah, here we go. Okay, this video took me probably an hour to render. Let me make sure that it ends right. Let's see. Go, 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 go. Baby, I love you, don't go. Ah, crap. And children, this is why we double check our work.
What happened?
Right where it switches to my website, it's just black.
Oh. Oops.
Fireball. Ocean, get back here. Why is this?
I just successfully did a drive-by in my smart car.
I'm on fire. Baby, baby. I'm on fireball. Yay! Okay, now we're going to save. I want to do like Michael. Hey man, just wondering what editing software you're using and does it cost? I am using, right now this is Motion, this is an animation software, but I also am using Final Cut Pro. They are both made by Apple and their Motion is $80, I think.
Something like that.
Also, it looks like the light is on. Hang on. Something is happening. Why is something happening? No. Okay, apparently not. Okay. Let's publish. Wait. Share. Where did I go to do this?
Publishing the template?
Yeah. I lost it. Objects, mark, object properties. I saved it. Now what? Oh, now that it's a template, maybe it just auto updates. Now let me add it again. No. Shit. Here we go. Let's just save as.
Ah.
I just have to replace it. Okay, here we go. We're going to transcode it. I think I am the only 12E here. What is 12E? No worries, Ryan. And I don't think I answered your question. Final Cut's $299. But they're both spectacular apps. Final Cut's a really cool editor. It's the only kind like it. It's just so badass. Okay, why are you not working? I should have updated you. Enter name. We'll call it outro 3. Why the hell not? Let me close out of that. Maybe Final Cut can't be open. Oh, 12E equals 12 years old. Got it. Hopefully you guys aren't hearing my fan, are you?
It doesn't sound too bad.
Okay. Yeah, I was pointing it directly at the microphone, so I'm not doing that anymore. The server IP is mc.heyaapl.com. Cool, so this is updated now. Let's check out Final Cut. There we go. Fuck! It's showing me that it's fine here. Why is it not fine?
Does the Hey Apple website logo have a white background? Like an actual white background?
That is a spectacular question. It doesn't... Ah, shit, thank you. That was definitely the problem.
Sick.
Thank you for being a genius.
Yep, yep.
I can't seem to just like write over them, so actually I call bullshit on that. I can write over it. I realized that my changes weren't doing anything because I didn't actually fix the problem. There we go. Thank you, Shaded. You guess you cannot connect to the server. Is the server down?
I will check.
I haven't paid it yet. That might be why. They never send me freaking invoices, so I always forget. Also, they're dropping us from the 22 gigs to 10. This next thing's like, no, there's 10. There's oh, maybe it says there's 4 people online, but there's not. The server might just be freaking out. Let me restart it.
Or is it that plugin that we have that falsifies?
No.
Whatever? No?
No. We're not using that anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, I stopped using that. Because it was making weird stuff happen. Alright, now I should have it as you. Yay! Now these two can piss off, but let's watch the render time of this video. This is a 4-minute video. This should render quite quickly. I'm going to close out of motion. Like I said, this would seriously take forever before. Off to a not so great start. Oh God.
Oh.
Let's see. Once the percentages start ticking away. It's a 4-minute video. Should render in real time. Not a good start. I guess. No, it's still taking way too long. This is going to be a 20-minute render. Or 10 at least. It will count off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Roughly 10 seconds between each percent. That's 900 seconds. What's 900 divided by 60?
Okay, give me a moment.
15-minute render. We'll see. We'll actually render this out and then we'll just delete it. But also, server's back up. And I see Hitori and Shaded on. Cool, we're already at 20%, so I guess it's actually going much faster now. Cool, I'll cancel it, fuck it. But yeah, that's exciting. Cool. So, yay, I got my outro figured out. Now, Eric, here's the part that's going to be really tough, and I don't know the best way to go about this. Were you here when I started talking about what I wanted to do with my intro?
I think so. A little bit how you wanted to zoom in?
Yeah.
Grow really big?
Yeah, and the YouTuber that I watched that does this beautifully is Dan, Nerd Cubed. His is really short, and I love his intro. Let's see. We'll see it in a second. So, like, here's his intro. You'll see it eventually on the stream. But it'll go in. This white goes transparent, and then it flies forward into the video, like that. It's really quick. It's a 2-second intro, and I love it. I want mine to be that simple. So as soon as that's in, so I would do the same thing with, but I don't know what element of my. Say hello, everyone. I don't know where I want to zoom in at. Yeah, let me pull up my intro. That's not it. This one. So I could do, so if we pause it here. Here. Okay, so I could do the green in the martini, the heyaapl lettering.
I was watching his, so I see what you're saying now.
And I could change it all together. So, okay, Eric, what do you think about this idea? So, you're going to see this delayed in the stream, but shaker shakes in, martini goes in. Where the ding happens, it doesn't actually ding until the martini glass will move to the top left corner of the screen. So as soon as this is like it, the ding will make this will just jump. Oh, just hit my microphone.
Nice.
The martini will move from here up here, and that's when my little thing will come in.
I see what you're saying.
So maybe a little bit longer. It might become 5 seconds. I don't know how I feel about making it longer. Theo asks, hey, when is your birthday, Hey Apple? It is in February. February 18th, to be exact. Also, curious to see how many likes we have. 13 likes, that's it. That's sad. Oh, let's see. This is sort of an impromptu stream, I guess. Okay.
What about, this may be a little bit overly simplified. What if you start out with just, instead of showing the shaker, you just show the glass empty, and the stuff pours in from the top into the glass and then zooms in?
Like skipping the shaker altogether?
You can even have the sound of it, but that way you're not having two cuts. Or I guess one cut to the other, or two scenes, I guess.
Yeah. I don't know. I want to play with it. I'm not 100% on this yet. But right when this is full, because the ding happens once that shows up. This is even outdated. This isn't the one I am actually using. Oh well. Okay. So if I do shaker, shaker, pour, I need to explore this a bit more. Where is my... See, because the guts of this is 3 parts. This is 3 separate fillings with a mask.
For the different colors.
Yeah, with a mask layer. This might be one I need to go in and see Hartley for. Because now we're getting into masking layers and... my month off in February was approved.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
I didn't do any paid vacation time. I just did regular. I mean, I'll use my paid time, but I haven't like figured out how many hours I'm gonna use. Let's see. Next week I have Wednesday the 22nd. I'm doing stuff, guys. Sorry, I'm just doing it on the other screen since you guys can't see this. Fuck, I guess I could show you. Okay. 1-to-1. Ah, crap. I think I'm signed into my work account. I totally was.
I was going to say, those are some weird topics. For you.
I picked boring ones. Let's see, remove topic.
Getting started on your Mac.
How does one use a Mac? I don't know. Wednesday, Friday. I'm working. Oh, wait. What? Eric?
What?
Something happened to my Friday schedule on the 24th.
Did it really?
Uh-huh. Whoopsies. I'm coming in extra early, apparently, at 15 minutes before 8 o'clock. Similar to the 20th.
Right.
Oh,
you really
God.
you really think they would do something a day later after the event?
Well, the event is on the 16th.
That's Thursday. Are you talking about?
Yeah, sorry, the 24th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 24th.
Got it.
No, that's what I was looking at.
Got it.
Oh, God. Wait, what are our available one-to-one sessions on that Friday anyway? Those are going to get destroyed. Those are not going to exist as available sessions. Shit. And there's nothing farther out. This is so annoying. What tomorrow?
I wonder what my Friday is now.
Oh, shit. No, that's a week out. Is that Monday? Ah, it's really annoying. I hate that people book Hartley. He's the only one that can ever do this crap.
Yeah.
And they've got him in open trainings, which I can book an open training for anything, not specifically when Hartley's working, which is dumb. I can go on a rant about this crap. Let's see. Tuesday, I'm working a Ryan shift. I'm not about to come in at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. You're out of your goddamn mind. I'll just talk to Harley. I'll text him and figure out what his schedule looks like. That's funny that they've already changed the schedule.
And mine's still normal.
Apparently well, you're family room, so that might be why.
Right. Depends on if they do something similar to the 20th. Use the family room.
Unless that's early training for Apple Pay.
That was, according to Mac rumors, that's supposed to happen this week.
Apparently that happened today.
Yeah.
Poor Jeff, in addition to 12 new hires that he's got to train,
God.
He's got to do this.
Jeff can handle it. He's a boss.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I had Saturday off.
I just realized that when you're browsing the net on GTA 5, your pointer is actually...
I'm gonna close out of the stream. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I love all of your faces. I'm gonna go for now because I have no more to do. But if you would like to see more, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I think all of you are subscribed anyway. If you want to see more of these, make sure you drop a like and let me know in the comments that you want to see more, because I definitely like doing these just like when I'm chilling. I think I'm going to hide this video because I did have my page open. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Peace out, stay classy, enjoy life, live the adventure. Boom. Wait, hang on. I'm going to stop presenting. I'm going to actually say goodbye to you properly. Bye, guys. Peace out, stay classy, I love your faces, and I will see you all next time. Bye! Also, there'll be a cool new video sometime soon. Omegle's coming back. I think I said that. I'm doing it, not sure when. Also, I don't need to look at myself. You don't need to... Oh, well, you couldn't see it at this point, so there you go. Yeah, all that exciting stuff. If you want to see another day in the life video, I could do one of those too. Hi, Diego. Bye, Diego. That's a really long ending. Anyway, now I'm actually... Also, I really do like this flag. Peace out, stay classy, live life to the fullest, and I love your faces. Okay, love you. Bye!